what's up people? So for those of you who don't know this, I'm driving a semi-truck. It's a pretty new 2022 Mercedes-Actros L, 480 horsepower, and my trailer is a special built trailer with a crane on it, so I can unload pretty fast and don't need a lot of space. My trailer has two steerable axles, so it's pretty movable and I can get into very close streets with it. And actually we arrive in like a kilometer at our goal. It's a very small street and I have to reverse in it, and there are a lot of parked cars, a lot of wrong parked cars for sure, and because it's a school I have to take much care of the children who are walking around there. And so hopefully we don't have a lot of cars right now. Doesn't look like. Okay, we have to reverse into that street, and as you can see there are some children playing here. So just wait till these cars are gone and then we have to reverse into that street. Oops. Oh, there's a car park, pretty bad for me, but I guess will be not that big of a deal. Take care of that white car right there. Nice guy. It will be pretty close right now. Can't see children right now, so that's good. So maybe I can park my truck that the cars can just pass me, but if not I will just close the road. Only take me a few hours to unload, I guess. Just park my truck right here. As you can see, there are already some stones. So, okay. I will not film the unloading part because there are a lot of children right here and I don't want to film them. That's kind of awkward for me. Don't want to look like a creep to some members or the teachers from the school. So we'll be right back and then I can just show you how to get out of it. Okay, so I just unloaded and I have to get out because people are waiting behind me and don't want to pass me, even if there is enough space. It's always pretty stressful to get your truck near to a school. Okay, a lot of children are here. Okay, he's waiting, nice. Thanks, buddy. Yeah, that's it. Okay, help me out, support the channel, check out my other videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.